So I'm out again with the Grand Tundra version 2. As I was saying in a recent review of the Tundra PX, TPX, I think they call it, not TXP, TPX, I'm fairly sure, which we had an immense amount of fun with. That is a fantastic model for learning 3D aerobatics, or generally flying around. But the Grand Tundra, bigger, flies better. If you want to do smooth aerobatics or even learn how to fly RC aeroplanes, then this is a great plane if your budget can stretch to a bigger model like this. It takes about half an hour to put together. Anybody could put it together. You don't really need too many tools to do it, have to be said, but you do need a bigger lipo pack. So in this I've got a 6S 6000. You could go down to a 6S 3700 4000 and it would still fly quite well. But it's good to get this out again and fling it around the sky a bit more, see how rusty I am. Okay, here we go. Oh. So there you go, Grand Tundra version 2, no surprises. This is a brilliant model, a lot of fun to fly. Flies like a sport plane. You can do everything with it, but the big barn door flaps do allow you to do some things that you wouldn't be able to do with other RC airplanes. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks as always for watching Essential RC. If you enjoy the videos on this channel, then why not subscribe? Thanks again. Bye.